Now class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject GSC and date is 2nd 12 2020. So we are studying lesson 5, I think. Lesson 5, Reproduction in Animals. Lesson 5, Reproduction in Animals. Reproduction in animals. So before starting today, I have uploaded the I have uploaded worksheet 3 in the website. That includes the write T for true and A for false. Give 2 examples of each of the following. Give reasons and answer the following. Means a complete worksheet 3rd is given in the website. So you can complete your notes with the help of worksheet, with the help of the matter what I have sent on the website. So now we are going to study about the reproduction in animals. In the reproduction on animals, we have to study today about the birds. How birds reproduce? All birds lay eggs. Most lay them in nests. The female bird sit on the eggs to keep them warm. This is known as incubation. This process is known as incubation. After some time, the eggs hatch and the baby bird comes out. The different stages of development from an embryo to a mature adult is known as the life cycle. That it is given as in case of the bird, life cycle, it is given first adult hen. This adult hen lay eggs, it producing the eggs, lay eggs are incubated eggs incubated, and after that egg is hatched and chick comes out. and this chick ultimately develops into the adult hen. In this way, life cycle is completed. A baby bird is called a chick. Parent birds feed and look after the chicks until they can fly and look after themselves. Now that was about the birds. So in one new term here, that is the incubation. In the incubation, the hen sit on the eggs, and the aim of the sitting is to provide the heat to the eggs, to warm the eggs, and this process is called the incubation. The heat, the process by which the egg is warmed by the birds is called the incubation. Nowadays, the eggs are artificially incubated. In case of incubation, both birds can participate in the incubation, but most of the cases, female birds incubates. So next, amphibians. Next, only amphibians. You are familiar with amphibians, that the frogs. You know about the frogs, frog, toad. These are the examples of the amphibians. And amphibians can live in water or they can live on the land. So next on the amphibians. Next, amphibians. Eggs in amphibians, frogs and toads are among some amphibians. A female frog lay hundreds of eggs at the time in a lake or pond. Tadpoles come out of the egg after hatching. They move like fish in water. Legs are developed after a few weeks. Their tails are lost when tadpoles start growing. They are developed into the adult frog within due course of time. And the process of transformation from an immature form to an adult form is called metamorphosis. One new term is here. You see the life cycle of the frog. It is given here. This is the frog. This is the frog. Frog producing cluster of the eggs, and after egg, tadpole is produced, and this tadpole develops into the young ones first. Legs are developed and tail is also there, and in due course of the time tail is lost and it is converted into the adult frog. So in this way we can see next one, that is insects. Insects like cockroaches and the grasshoppers have only 3 stages of development. One is egg stage, larva stage, and the adult stage. Egg stage, larva stage, and adult stage. The larva of a cockroach is known as nymph. After molting, many times it changes into and the adult. Next one is insects like butterflies and houseflies lay eggs which have four stages of development, that is the egg, larva, pupa, and the adult. The larva of a butterfly is called as caterpillar, and the larva of a housefly is called as maggot. So, next time we will discuss more. So, thanks for today.